Hi there, my name is Maeve, and today we are going to continue learning the verb to need. Are you ready? Let's start. As you quite well know, necesitar means to need. If we remove the R from necesitar and we add an N, we will have necesitan. Necesitan means they need. Apples in Spanish is manzanas. Some apples is unas manzanas. Let's do some sentences. They need some apples. Necesitan unas manzanas. Let's do it together. Necesitan unas manzanas. And now it's your turno. Necesitan unas manzanas. Well done. Sandwiches in Spanish means bocadillos. The bocadillos, they are in a French baguette. And some sandwiches is unos bocadillos. Let's do some sentences. They need some sandwiches. Necesitan unos bocadillos. Let's do it together. Necesitan unos bocadillos. And now is your turno. Necesitan unos bocadillos. Well done. As you know, if you have seen one of my previous videos, bebidas means drinks and unas bebidas means some drinks. They need some drinks. Necesitan unas bebidas. Cluck, 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 cluck. They need some drinks. Necesitan unas bebidas. Cluck, 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 cluck. Brilliant. Thank you for learning with me, Maeve. If you liked this video, please give me a like. See ya. Muchas gracias por aprender conmigo. Si os ha gustado este vídeo, por favor, dadme un like. Hasta la próxima.